rise once again. Unearthly violence with no end. Power visions quietly storming. Funds of fueling downstream draining. Our visions no was put on hold. Now they've been told. In the sound of violence, it's not a dream, their lives are torn. Blood flowing over dirt and stone. In the sights of a deadly drone, greenlit to fire innocence unknown. And a mother and father must bury another son. The world's undone. In the sound of violence, then in a shining light we saw 100 million people strong. People screaming, just listen to me. Politicians, it's your reckoning. People casting choice, their voices will be heard. Unchain the word, the endless sound of violence, bringing the hope that we all know. Let the fear drain, let it go. Hearing the words, he will fight for you. Holding hands out, he will pull you through. Heed the words, this warning will ring in hell. Thus sending the sound of violence. Standing tall, our fists are raised. The Lord God, He has saved. And your faith restored, it's storming. Stare in the light, eyes are opening. And the light said, words of false prophets are written on the Pentagon walls, so they must fall. Let's hear the sound of violence.